In this video, we're going to talk about how to add images into your email so that the person can see that image. So first of all, you need to put a cursor where you want to add the image in the email. And then you go down there and find that icon, insert photo, you click it. And then you can just choose the file that you want. But in this case, we want to upload from my computer. So we click browse there. And then we choose the photo that we want to appear in the email. And then we click open. Once it is uploaded, you'll notice that it will fill that email section, and then you can actually send this to someone. They will see that actual email there in the browser section, rather in the email that you've sent. So we can also change the size of this email. So if you click small, it will turn into a small one. You can also click original size. It will be very big. Would rather use best fit. So that person would be able to see the actual proper image when they receive the email. You can also add an image by just attaching that image. So let me just remove, you click it, and then you go to remove. You can attach the image as a file. Just go and click on the image that you want. And as you can see, it has been added as a file, and the person cannot see it, but would have to click it to open it. So this is how you actually add images.